The pearl necklace. The pearl necklace comes in many sizes and colors. The classic piece of jewelry is, of course, the pearl necklace. Akoya pearls are the most traditional type of pearl used in necklaces, but freshwater pearls, black Tahitian pearls, and large South Sea pearls are also used, often in stunning effect. Akoyas, of course, exhibit the traditional white, silver, or cream colors, while Tahitian and South Sea pearl necklaces ranging from bright white to darker tones. The pearl necklace comes in many styles. Bead consists of several strands of pearls of varying lengths. Collar of the collar consists of multiple strands of pearls worn high on the neck. Very popular during the Victorian era and making a bit of comeback now. They are 12 to 13 inches long. Choker, similar to a collar, but is worn somewhat lower on the neck and is 14 to 16 inches long. Princess, essentially the classic length for a pearl necklace, lying slightly below the neck. A versatile necklace that can be worn with many different styles of neckline and is 17 to 19 inches long. Matin, traditionally worn for semi-formal occasions, works well with sit-and dresses and is 20 to 24 inches long. Opera, generally worn at formal occasions with evening dresses. The purse should fall below the bust line. To be worn during the day in less formal settings, the strand can be doubled over. The opera necklace is 30 to 36 inches long. Rope. This is the longest of all pearl necklace styles. It can also be double as well as knotted. Some rope necklaces have multiple clasps, which allow it to be broken down into shorter strands. Rope necklaces are over 36 inches long. Matching of size is key to a perfect pearl necklace. The pearls used in a necklace can all be of the same size, or they can be graduated, with larger pearls in the center and successively smaller pearls running back on each side to the clasp. Whichever style is chosen, good matching of the pearl is important, both for aesthetic reasons and for the highest value. Traditional guideline for choosing a pearl necklace. The size of the pearls in the necklace, while ultimately a matter of personal taste, is also a subject of tradition. Traditionally, certain pearl sizes are considered appropriate for women of various ages, and the size of the pearls is also considered an indicator of the wearer's wealth and social status. Matching pearl necklaces to age and style. smaller pearls, 5.5 to 6.5 millimeters, is generally appropriate for teenage girls and younger women, say up to the mid-20s. Pearls 6.5 to 8 millimeters are traditionally worn by women in the mid-20s to mid-30s. They show a woman who, in a sense, has come of age, but the pearls still remain modest and not too showy. Pearls 8 to 9 millimeters in size definitely exhibits an aura of status, class, and success. They are traditionally worn by women in the mid-30s to mid-40s. These pearls tend to be more expensive, particularly the larger end of the scale, 8.5 to 9 millimeters, and so are associated with financial status. Pearls 9 millimeters and larger are both rare and expensive. They are generally worn by wealthy women of more mature years.